routine ride takes a dangerous turn, literally, when an oncoming driver suddenly attempts a U-turn. With almost no time to react and limited space to brake, she swerves right to avoid it, only to end up directly in the vehicle's path. A quiet moment at the light turns to pure chaos, when a transport truck suddenly barrels through a red, barely missing this rider and nearly ending his ride. Up ahead, a car cuts off this rider while merging and is clearly at fault. But as a general rule, if you see a vehicle drifting into your lane, try to shift over or create space early. It's not fair, but it can keep you safer. Feeling a little too confident, this biker leans hard while trying to leave a gas station, but as he leans back, he loses traction and slides out, barely missing an SUV's bumper.
I got you.
You alright, bro? Okay.
The side skirts, that's what you worry about more, not your leg. I'm a rider, so I know exactly. See, that's exactly what I look at my bike when I fall. I don't even look at my leg. I look at my bike. I look at my bike and what I damage. I'm okay. Nothing's leaking though, right? You're good? Nah, I'm good. Just make sure nothing's fucking leaking.
While out riding, this biker lets out a justifiable scream after entering a corner too fast and drifting wide, coming terrifyingly close to a head-on collision with a pickup truck. Pulling up to the next set of lights, this biker attempts a late lane split beside a Mercedes, but things go wrong, resulting in a small accident. Just watch. While waiting for the coast to clear before merging into traffic, this biker comes to a stop, only to be rear-ended by a distracted driver.
What you doing? What you doing?
This rider's speeding catches up to him when a pickup truck turns right, completely unaware of how fast he's approaching. While it's technically the truck's fault for turning in front of him, it's tough for others to anticipate when you're speeding. That's why it's always important to follow the rules of the road. So strong.